Hi there, this is a BM-800 condenser microphone. I got it for a very good price. I think it's about 40 ringgit. 40 ringgit is equivalent to around $10 in US. It's pretty good, yeah, but the thing is you gotta really stay very near, to this place. Your lips is almost touching, yeah, the microphone, in order for you to get some sound out of it. I mean, good sound out of it. So I decided to get a phantom power. The phantom power is an additional power supply just to power this up. So what happened is that when I power it on, this thing is burned. So let's take a look what's inside, yeah. This is how it looks like inside. Look at the chip. It's so small, yeah. And the moment I plug in to my phantom power, this chip, this circuit board is actually burned and it's not usable anymore. I've complained to the seller from Shopee and he decided to replace one for me, which I waited for about a week. They sent me a new one. I've told them, get something for me that works with phantom power and not burn, yeah, at the end of the day. So they sent me this. So I was expecting a bigger circuit board. So let's open it up. Okay. I'm expecting something bigger than this, but somehow this looks different, right? Let's do a comparison. All right, this is the new one, which is working with phantom power. And this is the old one, which is burned by the phantom power. Let's have a closer look. Yeah, this is how it looks like. And from behind. So I don't see this circuit board any bigger than this. But the thing is, this wouldn't work with phantom power. And when I asked the seller, he's telling me that you don't need phantom power for this because you have the sound card. When you have the sound card with you, this will be able to power it up. But the thing is, with the sound card, when I'm talking to the phone, the microphone, I have to be very near, almost touching the microphone in order to get a clear voice out of it. So I just couldn't take it, I got a phantom power and it's burned. So this instead works well. Okay, so guys, if you're buying a BM-800 condenser microphone, be sure to ask whether your microphone supports phantom power or not. If it's not supported, please, tell up front, ask the sellers to tell you up front so that you won't burn your mic like mine. Okay, there's a few ways of telling, yeah. The moment you ask them to show you the circuit board, it looks like this, meaning that it wouldn't work. If it's something bigger, which is like this, yeah, most probably yes. And hope I really helped you so that you won't get not to say get con, but you won't get confused with really cheap BM-800 microphones and sounds really good. It doesn't, because not all BM-800 are the same. BM-800 is basically just a name in order for them to sell, because BM-800 now has become a very good, selling point, a selling model for condenser mic. So they somehow will, sell it at a lower price by giving you a much lower quality circuit board. From the outside, you won't be able to tell it's the same, but from the inside, you can. So from the outside, it looks just the same. And don't be fooled by this, because this is just not on par with the rest of the BM-800s, which is have some branding over there. If you have some brand there, I mean that they are trying to build a brand, they're trying to build a business. So when they want to build a brand and a business, they wouldn't want it to fail. So those with a brand, I think, will be much reliable instead of just, you know, plain black with a BM-800 here with no logos whatsoever. This is even worse. This is blank. So okay, hope you guys enjoy this video. I know this video might be bored to you because I'm just showing two mics here, but I do hope that this really helps you so you don't get caught or you don't get confused by the sellers. Okay, cheers. Have a good day. Oh yeah, please, ouch, please do subscribe to my channel if you like what you're seeing. Okay, thank you, bye.